Good morning, dear students. Now it's your first period of computer science. In continuation of chapter 6, that is advanced features in openoffice.org writer. Today we are going to discuss about mail merge. First of all, what is mail merge? Mail merge feature is used to send mails to multiple addresses automatically by adding names and addresses from a database into the letter. Now, steps to use mail merge wizard. Open a new document with file, then new, and then text document. Start the mail merge wizard by clicking on tools and then mail merge wizard. Step 1, select starting document option. Students, please note that it is always better if you create a letter beforehand, as we are using the wedding anniversary in this example. As you click on mail merge wizard, the wizard opens as you can see in this picture. First, select the use the current document option and then click next to move the second step. As you can see, that is indicated by the point 1 and 2. Now step 2, select document type. The wizard can produce letter or email messages. Again, first point, select letter and then click next to open the insert address book. When we click on next to open insert address block, step 3, insert address block. This is the most complex step in the wizard. In this step you will do three things. First, select address list. In this example, we will be creating the address list of guests to whom we need to send the invitation by clicking select different addresses list option. Point 1, select address list dialog box, open up, click create to make a list of guests for wedding. Now second point, a new address list dialog box opens up with default list of fields. As you can see in this picture, click on customize to edit the list of fields. Customize address list dialog box opens up where we can add or delete the fields as per the requirement. We can delete the fields as per our requirement and then press OK button. Fill the corresponding details in the field and press OK. Now point number 7. Save the final address list and then press OK button. Now second, edit address block. We can choose the default address block or edit it by clicking on more. And third one is make sure that all the fields match correctly using match field option. Click on next to reach step 4. Now step 4, create a solution such as Mr. or Mrs. etc. Step 5, adjust the layout. We will use the default setting for step 4, 5 and click next to produce further. Step 6, edit document. We can edit the body of the original document. In this step, click edit document to shrink the wizard to a small window so you can easily edit the letter. Minimize mail merge wizard. You can see here. Now step 7. Writer creates all your letters, one per receipt. If we need to personalize the document for individual, we can use this option. Now step 8, save, print or send. This is last and the final step. We will save all the documents and finally send it for printing. To contain the hard copy, we can also email them. In this way, we can print the merged document. So students, in this way, this chapter has been completed. Now you can try to do this topic on your laptop or computer if you have at your home. I have also sent you the activity completed in your book. Thank you students. Thank you and have a nice day.